Home remedies for asthma. Asthma is a lung disease that causes difficulty breathing. Asthma can be either acute or chronic. Asthma attacks occur when there is an obstruction in the flow of air in the lungs. The exact cause of this disease is not known, but it can be triggered by allergies, air pollution, respiratory infections, emotions, weather conditions, sulfites in food, and certain medications. Common symptoms include coughing, wheezing, shortness of breath, and chest tightness. There are many medical treatments for asthma. Some simple natural remedies can also provide relief from symptoms. Here are the top 7 home remedies for asthma. Also, consult your doctor for proper diagnosis and treatment. 1. Ginger. Ginger is a well-known natural treatment for various ailments including asthma. Researchers have found that it can help reduce airway inflammation and inhibit airway contraction. Plus, studies indicate that it has compounds that may enhance the muscle relaxant effects of certain asthma drugs. Mix equal quantities of ginger juice, pomegranate juice, and honey. Consume 1 tablespoon of this mixture 2 or 3 times a day. Alternatively, you can mix 1 teaspoon of ground ginger in 1½ cups of water and take 1 tablespoon of this mixture at bedtime. Cut 1 inch of ginger into small pieces and add it to a pot of boiling water. Let it steep for 5 minutes, allow it to cool down, and then drink it. To detoxify your lungs, prepare a fenugreek decoction by boiling 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds in a cup of water and mixing 1 teaspoon each of ginger juice and honey in it. Drink the solution every morning and evening. You can also eat raw ginger mixed with salt. 2. Mustard oil. When having an asthma attack, massaging with mustard oil can help clear the respiratory passages and restore normal breathing. Heat some mustard oil with a little camphor. Transfer it in a bowl, and when it is comfortably warm, gently rub it on the chest and upper back and massage. Do this several times a day until the symptoms subside. 3. Figs. The nutritional properties of figs promote respiratory health and help drain phlegm and alleviate breathing difficulties. Wash 3 dried figs and soak them in a cup of water overnight. In the morning, eat the soaked figs and drink the fig water on an empty stomach. Continue this home treatment for a couple of months. 4. Garlic. The following garlic remedy can help clear congestion in your lungs during the early stages of asthma. Boil 2 or 3 cloves in 1/4 cup of milk. Allow it to cool to room temperature and then drink it. 5. Coffee. The caffeine in regular coffee can help control asthma attacks because it acts as a bronchodilator. Hot coffee helps relax and clear the airways to help you to breathe easier. The stronger the coffee, the better the result. But try not to drink more than 3 cups of black coffee in a day. If you do not like coffee, you can opt for a cup of hot black tea. Do not use caffeine as a regular treatment though. 6. Eucalyptus oil. Pure eucalyptus oil is an effective treatment for asthma symptoms because of its decongestant properties. Research indicates that it has a chemical called eucalyptol which can help break up mucus. Just put a few drops of eucalyptus oil on a paper towel and keep it by your head when sleeping so that you breathe in the aroma. You can also put 2 to 3 drops of eucalyptus oil in a pot of boiling water and breathe in the steam. Try to take deep breaths for faster results. 7. Honey. Honey is one of the oldest natural cures for asthma. The alcohol and ethereal oils in honey help reduce asthma symptoms. Just inhaling the smell of honey produces positive results for some people. You can also mix 1 teaspoon of honey into a glass of hot water and drink it slowly about 3 times a day. Before going to bed, swallow 1 teaspoon of honey with 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. This will help remove phlegm from your throat and allow you to sleep better.